Welcome to Little Joy Kids!
Are you ready to sing, play, and learn with me today?
Let's go! Uh-oh, Eyoso. I did it wrong again. Can you help me fix it, friends? I run across the road. Zoom, zoom, cars are flying fast. I run across the road. Is that okay? I stop and look both left and right. Hold a hand and cross it slow. I stop and look both left and right. Now that's right. Uh-oh, Eyoso. Uh-oh, Eyoso. I shout and jump at dinner time. Push my plate and make a mess. I shout and jump at dinner time. Is that lice? I sit and eat with care. Say please and thank you too. I sit and eat with care. That's what we do. Uh-oh, Eyoso. Uh-oh, Eyoso. I grab my toy so tight. No, it's mine, I loudly say. I grab my toy so tight. Is that guy? I share and take my turn. Smiles grow big and wide. I share and take my turn. That feels nice. Uh-oh, Eyoso. Uh-oh, Eyoso. I play all day and never clean. Toys all over the floor. I play all day and never clean. Is that fine? I clean my toys away. One by one, yay, yay, yay. I clean my toys away. Hip, hip, hooray. Uh-oh, Eyoso. Uh-oh, Eyoso. I jump and shout when it's bedtime. You run around and never rest. I jump and shout when it's bedtime. You bed. I brush my teeth and hug goodnight. Close my eyes and sleep so tight. I brush my teeth and hug goodnight. Sleep feels right. Uh-oh, Eyoso. Wrong or right? Now I know. Thank you for helping me grow. Let's try again. Yeah. Yay! We did it! Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell down so we can sing and learn together every day.